A World Cup final, but club found their Champions League empire. Florenzi's going to hit one. Hits it really well, the right back too. Just cause concern there for... Here's Roberto Firmino, and now Sadio Mane. Here's the chance, and there's the start, and that's exactly what Liverpool wanted. Sadio pull one.
Brilliant start by Liverpool. Huge mistake by Nangalan. He's far more experienced.
Every time Liverpool come forward.
We spoke about it last week.
There's Florenzi. Liverpool's midfielder there.
Yeah, he couldn't do anything about it.
But Roma gives him a little bit of heart, doesn't it?
Far. Roberto Firmino. Sadio Mane. Looking to try and get the whip and the bend on that one. Milner's out there with the Liverpool corner. Might fall here for Wijnaldum, and that's the first time that Gini Wijnaldum has had to score that goal. Roma 1, Liverpool 2, and Liverpool ahead.
Don't clear the lines at all. Head in the air.
Here goes the corner. Just a Rawi. Makes a bit of room, and then the shot took a deflection. It's the post. He was beaten there, Loris Karius. Roma 1, Liverpool 2. Game to extra time, and they're lucky there that Mo Salah's just offside. And out to El Shaarawy. Alexander-Arnold's missed it. Danger for Liverpool. El Shaarawy, save, and then Edin Dzeko, and they get the work for Liverpool to do.
Yeah, there's more headers from Trent Alexander-Arnold. I think this is an end.
Square. It's got to come out here for a throwing almost. But just got to keep...
It's in by Kolarov towards Edin Dzeko. He's got a little bit too much on that, but he's a real threat, isn't he, Dzeko, from those kinds of positions.
Yeah, when Alton just...
Here's Kolarov again, crossing practice at the moment for him. And then Nangalan, good hit, it's in! Oh, there's another one back for Roma. The Stadio Olimpico and a night 7-5 to Liverpool on aggregate. Cengiz Under looking to make it interesting. That's it, Clements, a penalty! Roma. Well, Nangalan's going to take it. And score within a goal of Liverpool. 4-2 to Roma on the night. The full-time whistle. That's it. Kiev, here they come. Liverpool are into the Champions League final for the 8th time in club history. It's their first one for 11 years. Jurgen Klopp has led them back to the promised land. Rome lies in ruins. Liverpool is in ecstasy. So many heroes along the way.